Hi everyone, back to my channel. I'm Chandra and you're watching Langwal Chandra. So this video is especially for on the demands for those who DM me regarding about my last interview, that was Bitwise interview. What was the interview's question, what was the interview process. So basically in this video I will explain you each and everything what was there and what was my interview questions and how was my experience. So don't skip this video, watch full video, and yes, most important thing is that don't forget like, comment and subscribe my channel. अभी तक अगर subscribe नहीं किया so just go first and subscribe it. So let's get started. So basically in the Bitwise there are 4 rounds, okay, if you are giving on campus or before COVID. Because of the COVID, all the rounds are going online, but basically as per their structure, the process will be in 4 rounds. First is your aptitude, the journal assessment, online written assessment. Second is your GD. Third is your TR, technical round, okay, and last one is up to your normal HR round discussion. But in my case, I did my assessment, online assessment. Second is my TR round, technical round, okay. So let's get started. First discuss about what were the things in online assessment test. So in the first assessment, that was an online assessment, each and every time most of the companies has this same basic structure of like online assessment and written statement, like it will be little bit apti, verbal and reasoning. Like Capgemini has a different scenario for the gaming and all, but most of the company follow the same process of apti, verbal, reasoning and all. So these are some things, but most of the companies also asking for the pseudocodes and programming. And in my Bitwise interview, in my Bitwise assessment, there was 2 coding, okay, and it was really very important. Your code will be executed, your code should be executed and compile and pass all the task research given by the company. So question was 2 and in coding section, and it was almost 3 hours literally. My Bitwise interview online assessment questions whole round was for 3 hours. And they give at least 50 to 30 minutes for my coding and rest for the apti, verbal and other section. So basically as per your compatibility and as per your preference, they give the choice whether you want to write the code in Python, Java, C++. So totally it's up to you in which programming language you are good. You can just choose that language and do the assessment on that time, okay. So this is all about the interview round. That was in first assessment, sorry, that is not an interview, this is first elimination round actually. If you get the good marks, if you get the like up to the good marks of in the Bitwise first assessment round, then only you will give the interview, otherwise you will be rejected. So you should very take care of that. Each and every company, you should very careful about the online assessment, because guys, online assessment is directly elimination round. This means if you are not doing good in online assessment now or written assessment, you cannot do anything in TR, because you will not get selected for the TR now. So this is the main funda where you have to be very clear about that your apti should be good. Even my apti is not that much good, literally I hate aptitude. I don't know why, from the very beginning when I was in my like school and verbal section. But now for English, your English should be good. And main important thing now, time management is very important, because they give that lambe passages, and at that time even only 30, just suppose if they give 30 minutes for your English assessment, so you have to be very careful about that. All the mixed questions, like where you have to put the articles, where you have to put the jumble words, then you have to read the passage, 2 or 3 passages, like lambe passage. You should do each and everything at that limited time. So just prepare yourself for how you can beat the time and complete the online assessment. So this is all about the online assessment and the written assessment in Bitwise, and mostly most of the company follows the same pattern. So now what is the next round after online assessment? Basically after the online assessment or written assessment, the round will be GD, then TR. But here they skip the GD round because it is little bit difficult in online session. So because of COVID, you know that all the hirings, all the campus hiring is going online virtual, so that's why GD they skipped and directly TR. So after mostly they will take at least 1 week for the result, and after your online assessment within 4 after 4 days you will get a survey. Okay, you will get a survey link and you have to fill that survey whether you are available for that online interview or not. But that not wasn't a clear email that you are eligible for the TR round as all. But after that survey, after 2 or 3 days, then I received a call from the HR that you are selected for the technical round. But you know that what main funda is that now, according to your assessment marks, according to your written exam, your job profile will be selected by the company. But initially I was applied for the Java full stack development course, but when HR called me and she informed me that your interview is scheduled for the Tableau developer, so I just asked this question that I applied for the Java full stack development, so how it is possible? That time she informed me that according to your assessment score, the company will provide you the role. So that's not mean if you are applied for the Java, then because when Bitwise hiring was there, so there was 4 to 5 roles like Java developer, full stack Java developer, testing, SQL and PLSQL, and database administrator. So I just fill up for the form for Java full stack development, but according to my assessment score, they give it to me the role of Tableau developer. So finally they inform me that your interview will be scheduled on this day, you have to be prepared for that. And she didn't have any idea that what will be the question and all, but I asked this question that what will be the questions and what should I prepare for, because I am not aware from Tableau developer. So she said just as per your resume, just you should you should be prepare yourself. I said okay. So according to my resume, guys, I prepared very well Java and SQL, but at that interview time he only told me, he only asked me the question from SQL and some behavioral HR question. So what are the questions in behavior HR and what are the questions in from SQL in my technical round? So here are some questions. First of all, in each and every interview, whether it will be HR or technical HR, first question will always be asked from the interviewer, that is, tell me about yourself. And this is the most important and basic question from which the interviewer want to start the communication with the interviewee, and this is the most important question to start a communication to make you comfortable at that position, because as a fresher you will get nervous, you will feel like hell, and that time you was hesitate and all that same thing I did. So this is the basically question to just start the communication and to make you comfortable, people, to make us comfortable in front of them. So first of all he asked me, tell me about yourself. So I take 5 to 6 minutes about tell me about myself. Basically I focus on the things on the tell me about yourself in. I basically told I cover up each and everything, like my academics, my schooling, not my father name is, mother name is, don't do this, but yeah, what I did in my schooling, like organization and your activities, academics, your leadership skills. So and about my project, if you did any project now, so give the main focus upon your project, explain your project, team role, your role, and what will be the budget, what are the things you can change in your project. So these things you can elaborate and just like give a total summary about yourself in front of that interviewer. So this is the most important thing you should learn, you should prepare. Tell me about yourself. After that he said, why should we hire you? This is the second question he asked me about that, and you can just Google it. This is very simple questions. I will make another video regarding how to give the answer. And third question is that why Bitwise? These are 3 questions he asked me to make me comfortable, and because of that question I feel comfortable and I start talk to him. And that was a good round because I communicate very well with him, and he compliment me as well. You are good in communication, at least you can communicate, because most of the fresher, he knows each and everything, but in the front of interview, in front of camera, in front of like anything na, he just keep silent his mouth, and I don't know why. Yeah, I know that, I can understand. I also felt that thing of hesitation, nervousness, but at least once in a time you have to do it. And believe me, if you did this thing now, you will definitely never feel hesitate and nervous in any other interview. So next question is started from the technical, which is really from the SQL. So he is from mechanical branch, and he is basically from the SQL expertise. He is not from the Java. So he asked me, first of all, what do you mean by SQL? That is, SQL is structured query language, which is used to communicate with the database, with the relational database management system. He said, why we are using query language? So guys, you know that SQL and query language, the difference between SQL is used for RDBMS and query language is used for database management system. Second question is that he asked me, what do you mean by joins? I explained joins. Then he asked me inner join, and that was the question where I did wrong at first, because I explained that joins are used to retrieve the data from 2 different tables or the same tables, but at that time I forget that inner join is used to retrieve the matched data from the tables. Then I recovered that thing. So basically the question is from inner join. And his fourth question is that his query, query was that he give me 2 tables and also give me a third result and table, and told me that show me this, write a query the output should be like third table. So it was easy, with the help of join you can do this. So basically query is from the inner join. And second query question, it is from, guys, your employee and manager relationship. That the question was, what is the name, write a query to display all the employee and their manager whose salary is greater than this. So I just explained this query as well. And he also asked me the question of where clause and use of having clause. So just prepare for this also. And after that, he asked me what is the relational database management system, or RDBMS. So I just answered that RDMS is relational database management system. Then I connect with the EF-CORD rule, that was relational model concept, and I give the rules of EF-CORD and also I elaborate this RDBMS. Then so he said ki, okay, I'm okay with my interview, do you have any questions? So because he said your profile is mainly for the Java and you have Java certification, but I'm not from that background, so I cannot judge in Java. I just have some question from SQL only. So after that he told me that, do you have any question? So that time I asked him question that, sir, I want a genuine review about this interview, what are the things which I should improve to get a position, to get a Tableau developer role in the company. What should I improve? So he just said ki, you are good in communication, you are good in basics, but you should focus more on technicals. I don't know why, just because of that joins, because at that time now you should know exact definition, which I realized. That was really my very big mistake, but it's okay, I will improve in my next interview. That's not a big deal. So these are some specific questions which my interviewer asked to me. And mostly if you are selected from this round, then the next round will be your HR round, that face to face, he will ask some behavioral question like, tell me about yourself, why, but your anything else, some HR questions he or she will ask, and directly will discuss with your salary maybe. So basically this was the last round for the Bitwise. Basically guys, this is all over my interview experience for the Bitwise. So in this video I have a tip for you, and the tip is that really this is a really very good tip. You have to be very clear about that कि whenever you learn something you should know basics, I know that, but you should know that particular definition, like not particular which is in Google. You are just stay forward to the interviewer, no, don't do like that. Just if he said, like take example from the Java, he said what is a class, so we are saying class is used to this. Without class we do not make object. There is no sense of object if we have no class. But what is the class? Question is that what is the class? So what will be the answer? A class is a blueprint, or a class is a logical entity. You can say that like that. First of all, you have to know at least one line definition. What is a constructor? Constructor is a member of a class. What is an entity? Entity is a real time. Entity is something which exists in real time. Then you can elaborate then why we are using, what is the characteristics, features, advantages, determine everything. But you should know the at least correct definition. Correct in the means you can elaborate yourself. You can make a definition by yourself if it is hard to learn from the Google and all. Do, but at least make a definition, because to answer any question it is very important to give a definition first. Then you can elaborate your answer how much you want. Just elaborate your answer. Don't elaborate that much. If you said only constructor, only 3 to 4 lines you can finish up, then you can type of constructor and all. Same in SQL. So don't be just stuck within 1 or 2 lines. At least first of all you have to give the definition correct, like 1 or 2 lines. Then you can give the advantages in short in what are the features why we are using, and then you will continue with your story and summary and all with each and every question. But this is really which I felt that I have to be very clear about one line definition for each and every concept, each and every topic in the Java, SQL, anything else. And second thing is that my role was in Tableau developer interview. So basically the whole work with the database and Tableau software. So that's why he asked only SQL questions, not from the Java. So this is my overall interview experience. Are you happy, guys? I shared each and everything. I think now all the doubts are cleared. Now you are very clear about the company's interviews and all. It's depend. My interview was very easy. Like it's good. But sometime interviews will be like hell. It happens, or mostly time it happens. So it's totally up to your luck whether the interview will be easy or hard, and whether in the easy interview you will get selected or not. Like me, I got rejected. It's okay, but I learned some lessons. I know what are the points where I have to improve myself, so I'm working on that. So if you have any query, so you can directly comment me below. And guys, do one thing: if you did not subscribe my channel, first go and subscribe it. And just I want a comment from each and everyone, if you are watching this video, that what are the things you should do in your interview, or what are the things you want to know about my interviews and my interviews question. And if you have any query, just comment me. But I want a comment, literally. Guys, you did comment, I know that, but if you did comment now, so all people will get engaged with your comments and they can communicate. I saw so many boys, so many groups are start chatting in the comments. So that's why they are making their group, their connection from here, because you people are from different states. I am from different states. So this is the only social media's only platform where you can connect with each other. So goodbye, take care, and stay safe and stay care. Be healthy and stay away from the COVID. I hope everything will be fine as soon as possible and I will get a job. Bye bye, take care guys, see you in my next video.